Meet Ben.
Hello?
Every day, Ben's letterbox rattles with the sound of mail from his bank, his insurance company, and invites to 18 to 30 holidays, even though he's too old.
Who are you?
Little does he know, he's about to receive important information from one of his providers.
Oh, no, what now?
It's coming to your house.
No, it's not my time. No, 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 no! Where have you put in my policy number? What did you want me to do again? Oh, I'm so confused!
Meet Sally.
Oh, hi.
Sally's providers don't overcomplicate things. They provide the information Sally needs to make informed decisions, simply, quickly, and on her terms.
That's true. Oh, cheers, Dave. Which will save me going through pages and pages of terms and conditions.
I prefer to do everything online. It's much easier.
Now with all that stress-free time Sally has, she started getting back into chainsaw carving. At Paragon, we understand the domino effect of unclear communications. If they aren't clear, you won't get the response you want from your customers. Confused, they'll ring your call center. You'll send another letter, and the costly cycle begins again. We can help transform how you do it, reducing your carbon footprint, removing avoidable demand from your processes, and making sure your customer's experience is less like Ben's and more like Sally's.